I just updated Photoshop and Bridge and Camera Raw. Illustrator did not have an update, but new stuff. If you ever encounter something like this, go through this. Read the words. This is cool. This is really interesting. This we might find of value when we learn more about image size and resolution and not saving out copies of the wrong size. This is worth investigating, and more built-in help and learning right there. But of course we did that. So maybe you're keeping track of things. I don't know. I'm seeing this for the first time too. I just thought I would share this with you. Removing background. Wouldn't that be nice if that worked on all images and not just pre-picked ones like the selections? But Photoshop keeps getting smarter and smarter. The upsampling is amazing compared to what it used to be. So something to look at. And preset syncing. Oh, this is great. Okay, I wish more stuff synced between my computer at home, my computer at school, my laptop, and, the fourth machine I use occasionally. It is wonderful how, with this subscription model, Adobe just updates apps whenever they're ready. Whenever they have new features, they just roll them out. And you might think, oh God, another update. Man, what? I hate this. No, love this. This is not a bad thing. Explore and show me what you learned.